Everyone says so much has changed, that the world is different now than how it was long ago. But when I sit on the va'a, feel it move through the water, I feel good. I feel close to my ancestors, my kupuna. If we listen closely, we'll hear their guidance.
The wisdom only comes from the kupuna. And if they can share that with whoever hauman or whatever hauman, then right there, that beginning will change their whole outlook on what they should do and what they think about in the future.